Namaste. Welcome to Devyog Workshops channel. Sarva Mangala Mangalye is a very popular Sanskrit slok. It is chanted or sung on various occasions. I will chant it for you. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Triambake Gauri Narayane Namostute Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam Shakti Bhute Sanatani Gunashraye Gunamaye Narayani Namostute Sharanagata Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasyarthi Hare Devi Narayani Namostute Jai Narayani Namostute Jaya Narayani Namostute Jaya Narayani Namostute. This Sarva Mangala Mangalye is a very popular Sanskrit prayer. It's a slok, you can call it mantra. You would have heard it very often. Maybe you would have chanted it along with so many others, or maybe sung it also. But you would have noticed that there is no Om anywhere as part of this prayer, not even in the beginning, not even at the end, whereas most mantras usually have Om either in the beginning or end, or both preferably. Why not in this one? So let's see in this video. But first, let's see the meaning. In this slok, there are 3 verses, a total of 6 lines. The first line is Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike. So what does it mean? Sarva Mangala Mangalye, which is to the auspicious one who makes everything auspicious happen. Shive, whose nature is goodness, Sarvartha Sadhike, and is the doer of wellness and well-being. Sarva Artha Sadhike, that is the 4 arthas that we have, the dharma, artha, kama and moksha. Duty, livelihood, pleasure and deliverance from this life. All 4 aspects of our life she takes care of, and she makes them possible too. The second line, Sharanye Triambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. So what does that mean? Sharanye, the one who provides shelter to all. Triambake, 3-eyed one, or the one who oversees the 3 worlds. It can be taken in both the meanings. Gauri, Gauravarna, another name for goddess Durga. So this prayer is to Gauri. Narayani, that is, she is the Shakti or the energy within Narayan, Vishnu. Namostute, Te Namah Astu. Namostute, salutations to you. Now the third line reads, Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam Shakti Bhute Sanatani, which means Srishti, creation, Sthiti, sustenance, Vinash, transformation or dissolution of the universe. So the energy behind all of these, Sanatani, omnipresent, forever present, that is in all ages, beyond time. She is timeless. Gunashraye Gunamaye Narayani Namostute, which means Gunashraye, you are Nirgun, but within you, you are the base of the 3 gunas, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas, with which all creation, all existence happens. Gunamay, at the same time, you are the one who has all the gunas. Narayani, the Narayan Shakti, Namostute. Salutations to you. Sharanagata Deenartha Paritrana Parayane. And what does that mean? For those like us seeking shelter, Sharanagata, Deenartha, the poor as well as the afflicted, the troubled, those in pain, Paritrana Parayane. You are the one who rescues, or you are the one who comes to the aid of such troubled people. The sixth line, Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute. Sarvasyarti. You are the one who removes everyone's arthas, that is the sorrows. O Devi, Narayan Shakti, salutations to you. And we end this prayer, Jai Narayani Namostute, Jai Narayani Namostute, Jai Narayani Namostute, which means glory be to you, O Narayan Shakti, salutations to you, salutations to you, salutations to you. And now let's see where this verse comes from. Sri Sri Chandi. You would have heard this name, which is a part of the Markandeya Puran. We have mentioned both these scriptures from our video on the Navadurgas. In that was also taken from Sri Sri Chandi. And in the same scripture is this particular prayer as well. It is a part of the Narayani Stuti, which is the 11th chapter of Sri Sri Chandi. The Narayani Stuti is quite long. There are totally 55 shlokas in this prayer, and Sarva Mangala Mangalye consists of verses number 10, 11 and 12. So you see, the three verses Sarva Mangala Mangalye are a part of a long prayer. It is not a standalone prayer, and that is why Om, whether you pronounce it as Aum, which is the right way to say, or as the more commonly pronounced Om, does not appear as part of these lines. So here are those three verses or 6 lines at a glance for you. And in English, you will also find the lines written in the description box below.